How to see who visited your Instagram profile. So for this, go ahead and open your Play Store first and foremost. So right here, you have to go ahead and search for your Instagram application. Tap open your Instagram application to check if there is an update. If not, simply go ahead and tap on this open bubble right here. Now, on to the next step, you have to go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then you have to tap on the three-line icon at the top. Head to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see the option of Account Type. Then tap on Account Type and Tools. Tap on Switch to Professional Mode and tap on Continue to all of this. Now once you do that, select a category and tap on Done. Now select either Creator or Business. Now you can continue to share your logins or leave it as it is. Now you can go ahead and complete this 5-step whenever you want to. Give your feed a refresh and you should find the option of Professional Dashboard. So you can go ahead and tap on it. So this is a section that consists of all the action that is happening to your Instagram account, even your profile views. You can get access to it by tapping on the three-line icon at the top and visiting the Insights section as well. So right here, it will let you know who have visited your Instagram account. However, it will display in number but will not disclose the identity of who have visited your account. There are other applications or third party that claim to do so. However, we do not recommend you for safety and privacy issues. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.